Today I'm taking a look at the Soundbar wall mount bracket. So it does come with instructions. We've got our mounting hardware. We've got more mounting hardware, and this actually has a spirit level. So that way we can make sure that our soundbar is going to be straight. So here is our wall mount. One of the nice things about it is it actually has screw holes right in the center. Most of them only have the 2 holes on the sides, but if you're actually trying to get this mounted into a stud, you want to have the mounts in the center. So very good design there. This is also extendable, and then we got a locking knob there on the bottom to hold it in place. So we got a max length of about 6.5 inches and a minimum length of just under 4 inches. And it looks like they also included a guide. So if you want to make sure that you got this guy perfectly aligned, we can use this to make that happen. Here's our second bracket. And we also have some rubber silicone pads to make sure they're not going to be damaging the soundbar. Very nice. And then we can punch that center out just in case we need to screw directly to the soundbar. Okay, so this is the soundbar. I want it to go somewhere around here. So first we'll check for studs. Looks like we got one there, there, maybe a pipe there, and then right there. So right around here for the first one, and then on the edge. That should work. Now, even though we had that spirit level, I'm just going to use the good old laser level. Yeah, that'll be good. Cool. Much nicer getting that thing off of my workspace, so I got a little bit more extra room, and it looks pretty good on the wall. So overall, those are some very nice mounts.